In the world of computer-aided design, one name stands out above the rest: AutoCAD. But how did this iconic software come to be? Join us as we explore the fascinating history of AutoCAD, from its humble beginnings to its status as the industry standard in CAD software. Early computer graphics demonstrated by Evan Sutherland using Sketchpad software in 1963. It all began in the late 1970s with the development of Interact CAD by John Walker and his team. This early precursor to AutoCAD laid the groundwork for what would later become a revolution in CAD software. In December 1982, Autodesk released the first version of AutoCAD, introducing basic 2D drafting capabilities for the MS-DOS operating system. This inaugural release marked the beginning of AutoCAD's journey towards becoming the industry standard in CAD software, quickly gaining traction among engineers, architects, and designers. As AutoCAD evolved, each new version brought with it groundbreaking features and enhancements. From AutoCAD 2.0's introduction of layers and XREFs to AutoCAD R10's advancements in 3D modeling, the software continued to push the boundaries of what was possible in design. As we conclude our journey through the history of AutoCAD, one thing is clear: its legacy of innovation continues to shape the future of design. From its humble beginnings to its status as the industry standard, AutoCAD remains at the forefront of CAD software, empowering designers to turn their visions into reality. Please like and subscribe for more videos.